Have you ever felt that no one is listening? I know I have. It wasn't difficult to realise what my problem was, but I was terrified about figuring out how to fix things. I felt alone and scared, but then I found someone who wanted to help me change things. They were my voice when I didn't have one. I didn't have to be worried or sad anymore. Are you wondering who it was that helped me? It was an advocate. Have you never heard of an advocate before? No, me neither, until my social worker told me about them. An advocate is someone that listens to you. They helped me think about possible options and supported me to have a say. When I was too scared to talk in a meeting, they offered to talk for me. When I didn't know how to tell others how I was feeling, we wrote a letter together. They helped me put my thoughts, wishes, and feelings across to the people who were making decisions about me. This is called advocacy, when someone helps you find your voice. I found out about advocacy later than expected, but now there's something called an active offer. This means that if you have a social worker, they have to explain to you that you can have an advocate if you want one. In the future, young people won't have to go through what I did, whatever their problem is. There are 2 organisations that you can get advocacy from in Wales. These are TGP Cymru and NIAS. If you don't have a social worker, or if you're not sure if advocacy is the type of support you need, you can try talking to Meic. Meic is an information, advice and advocacy helpline for children and young people in Wales. I found my voice with the help of an advocate. You don't have to feel sad, worried or alone anymore. You can find your voice too. There's a new website you can visit with all the details you'll need, so don't delay, visit today.